Okay, you remember the evil witch in the Arthur story, Morgana? Morgana. I think it's it's funny. They're in um, Celtic lore. There's something like a Morgana type who's a petrel, Petrol. Um, and the petrol, I think there's two of them. Uh, more. I mean, there's got to be more and more and more. Whatever I say, like there's got to be like, what's it called? Like lesser known. Oh yeah, lesser known. Okay, so petrol, uh, or the um, evil prankster, you know, witchy, sorcery, and it's like, with gasoline's petrol, and it comes from the 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 station, Shell station. Okay, that's just a parallel that I've seen, and I don't need to make a long video. I think that there'll probably be a whole bunch of more things. Have you noticed? It might not be the case, but a menti sounds like amino. Amino acid is the building blocks uh, of life. It's genetic material that has been rejuvenated, and the process of how it's been rejuvenated is like a script, and it needs to be interpreted and read to positively charge your cells that are tired for the process of cleansing. Or no, that's what water is for. No, okay. It's for the sleep. Yeah, it's for sleep. Cleansing is just water, okay? And because a cancerous cell is a cell that can't flesh. What's it called? Flesh. That's data. Flush like is like to wash or to cleanse, right? So the cell that can't eject the substrate form of information from the food, right, become cancer, because it's got a particle of shit. And again, it's not a bad thing. There is a constellation. Not yeah, it's a constellation, which is an energy named Cancer, and it's in the Milky Way. The Milky Way is what is putrefying all of the genetic material to send it through cyclical, seasonal, like, what's it called? Seasons, shedding, and, rejuvenation. So I just tied that in, but that's not a arcane reference. That's me tying two different arcane references together to mean the same thing in the science, right? I wonder why they added 11 more degrees to the Masonic science. Knights of Malta is 22 degrees. And it might be because of the emerald tablets that are that are shattered. Like it's like fragmented. The cities, I mean, of Atlantis are all over the world. They're in in the water. Like, there's one off the coast of California. There's one in Yucatan, off the coast of Peru. That one's Pa. The one off the coast of California is Mu. And Lemuria. People have a lot of ideas about genetic engineering in Lemuria, being that it's like the lemur, and have suggested that the Rh negative blood comes from a kind of monkey that was used in gene splicing to make humans. I don't know about all that, you know. I could see where people might make fanciful speculation, for infotainment, or to, just create it's like a mythical lore, all right, so